Hi, Justin Pearson Photography. How to make photographs look dreamy in DSLR. Well, we've got digital single lens reflex cameras now that give us a lot of ability and a lot of flexibility to take multiple exposures and take a look at them in the back and the LCD so we can actually see what we're getting. And having that kind of flexibility is great, especially when you're photographing, for example, for me, when I photograph brides, kind of getting ready and that kind of thing, I might put them in a situation where I want sort of a surreal, kind of an artsy, kind of a dreamy quality. So what I'll do is I'll backlight them to either a doorway or a window, and I might have them turn and face me, and that way that light is just kind of pouring over them. And when that occurs, the background, if I expose for their face, the background is extremely bright and has kind of a, maybe it's lights kind of bouncing off the veil and that kind of thing. So in other words, the majority of the photograph is very bright, and that gives it a very dreamy effect. So if I'm using an aperture like 2.8 and I'm exposing for the face when they're heavily backlit, you get this kind of amazing quality, and it's extremely dreamy. And that's how you photograph a dreamy scene in DSLR.